So hi everyone, in this video I will discuss how to print the multiplication table. Okay, so firstly I will understand what are the meaning of the multiplication table. That is a simply table. Suppose user enter the 6. So the 6 table, so it will show like that 6, the 6, 6 multiplied by 1, 6, 6 multiplied by 2, 12, then 12, then 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54 and 6. This is the table of 6. So I mean so suppose user will enter the 5. So how we can get the table of the 5? That is the 5, then 10, then 15, then 20, then 25, then 30, 30, then 35 and 40 and 45 and 50. So this is the table of the 5. So how we can get the table of any number? Suppose the user will enter the 7. So for this purpose I am writing the C language, C code. Okay, so firstly the code is look like that. I'm telling here the code, how the code will look like. Okay, so firstly the user will enter the any number. So with the help of the scanf function, with the help of the scanf, the I will so this number will go in that. So percentage d and address of n. So the user will enter the any unknown value. Okay, now so we want to print the table. So this table, it is going from 1 to 10. So 1, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to 10. So we need to take one loop. We need to take one loop, and that loop value will initialize with 1, and it will run up to 10. So I less than equal to 10, and every time I will increase the value I plus plus, and this is the thing. And inside the loop I will add the printf function. I will add the printf function and percentage d, and I will give some space. Then here I will put the value of n multiplied by n. I need to print this value. Okay, this thing will be closed loop. So this is the only the simple code for that. Okay, actually every time we need to run the loop from 1 to 10. So this loop is going from 1 to 10. It is starting from 1 and 10. After 10 the loop will stop. Because of that the condition will be false. Okay, I explain this thing printf. Okay, so this thing I will write inside the for loop printf function. So this thing I will also print, and this thing is, so in this case so this thing will be print like that. But if you want to print like that, then you need to write here the statement inside the for loop, that printf, that is the printf end, and percentage d, sorry, percentage so if you want to print like that now, then you need to write like that. The percentage d multiplied by percentage d is equal to the percentage d, and that thing will be closed into the double bracket. Why? So this percentage d will become this value. If the user will enter the 6, then there at the n, and for loop this I will be go from 1 to 10 I, and here I will print the multiplication value and multiply by I. Okay, I hope you understand. So if you write this statement, then it will print like that simply and multiply by I. But if you want to print like that, this table, this complete table, 6 by 1, 6, 6 multiply by 3, 6 multiply by 4, like that, then you need to write one statement, that is the percentage d multiply by percentage d is equal to the percentage d. This percentage for n, so what the user will enter, this is n, and this percentage is u for I, and equal to this percentage n multiplied by I. So I am going on the code shape, and here I will write the code. Okay, see, so I am coming the first of all the user will enter the any value n, that will be go into the n. Okay, after that I will take one loop that will initialize with the 4. I initialize with 1, then this condition will be true only I less than equal to 10. This loop will be run only 10 times, and then I plus plus. Okay, then this is the loop, and inside I told printf, printf, and printf percentage d. Actually this is the integer value, na, percentage d and multiply by n. Here I will print the value of the multiplication of n and I. Okay, I hope you understand. So this is the complete code and only one statement is there. Here and return. Actually I take the int. The int means we need to return 0. Okay, so I hope this code is it's okay, there is no any error is there. Yeah, no error is there. So suppose if you enter the 5 here, if you enter the 5, then the multiplication of 5 it should come. Yeah, it is coming. Yeah, here it come like that: 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. That thing I saw here, no? So how can print 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 like that? I hope you understand this thing. And then if you want to print in the form of table, suppose if you enter here the 6, then it will come like that: 6, 6, 12, 18. Yeah, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30 like that. Okay, I hope you understand. And one thing I also explain like that. So if you want to print the table in this format, if you want to print the table in this format like that, then you need to write so one statement in the printf. So that thing percentage d uh, multiply by percentage d d and equal to, that is the percentage d. Okay, here I told. So the first percentage is, and here I will change every time line in the second line. Okay, backslash and for line changing every time. Okay, now I hope you understand this thing. And here I will write firstly and the value of n, then I. Okay, then the first percentage d will come, what the user will enter n I and n multiple. Here I am going to run this program. I think there is no any error is there. I hope, yeah, no error is there. If user will enter the 6, then the 6 multiplication it should come. Okay, yeah, same thing. Yeah, so here you can see 6 1, if you multiply, if you want to table to see complete 6, the 6 1, 6 multiplied by 1, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 48. I hope you understand this thing. So this way I also print this way. So I hope you understand this thing. Okay, and then suppose if you want to see the another number, if you want to use a 10, if you want to enter the 10, then suppose then enter the 10, and here you can see. Yeah, so here it come like that: 10 multiplied by 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 100. I hope you understand. In the next video we will meet. Thank you.